at the door-to-door concept in shipping, or we have moved on? You don't answer. Are we still at the door-to-door concept in shipping, or we have moved on to another level, another concept? What is the latest concept we've moved on to? Your answer is correct. Give me the name of the new concept. Huh? You see, look, yes, I told you, made the attempt. You have the idea, but then I want the name. And the name actually involves unstuffing of the containers. I agree with you, which I will explain after establishing the name of the concept. All that, I know most of the world now think we are still at door-to-door concept. We have moved on. Several years now, about 6 or 7 years ago, we have moved on. But the truth is, there's no much material on the current concept on the internet like when the door-to-door concept was evolved. Okay? Yes, your explanation holds, but what is the name of the new concept? But even if they say door-to-door concept of containerization, what does it mean? Let's explain it. Then maybe if you are able to explain it, then your explanation would be proper. We really need to waste time on it. What? Yes? Yes? Door-to-door even. Let's explain what does it mean when they say door-to-door concept. Yes? Those of you in the field, help us. Yes?
Delivering cargo to the final destination.
In what manner? Yes, your sentence, please learn very well. See, if you are airborne, if you don't learn properly, you crash. And say it and reconstruct your sentence. If you write things for your examination, I want you to score 10 over 10. Don't give me ambiguity, then I will give you 4 over 10. What you said is ambiguous, so say it properly. Your choice of words, beautiful technical work as a shipping student, delivering cargo to each final destination. In what manner? Now left is a manner in which you do it then you landed safely. Can somebody help me? You said? Okay, fine. As for the trucking, it's normally the final leg of the road. So you put it on the truck. What do you do after putting the container on the truck? Yeah. Will the truck be static? You want to transport it on the truck? Yes. You see, you transported, you brought, give as imported a container load of new furniture. We want to use this as a proper lecture hall so that we don't carry these things this evening. It's well fitted, secured. Apart from lectures, this hall will not be used for anything. So we want to modernize it. So we've imported one full container from China or wherever. So the agent we contracted will clear this thing, the container, put it on truck from the port, and we tell him, bring it to the education unit. So the container will come and park at the entrance here. With the door-to-door concept, the agent has finished his or her work. Have you got it right? How the company Gift Academy will get those bloody things out of the container, pack them properly or use them properly in this room is none of me, the clearing agent's business. But if you tell me the clearing agent now, open the container, that man said it, on stuff, and the gift representative is packing this, start bringing in the contents of the container. Yes, box number 1, tick until all the contents, and he will even be instructing you, the agent, how to place, where to place, and even how to place the contents in this room. Haven't you done an extra work? You'll be paid that further work of unstuffing the container into your appropriate holding where the items will be used. If it is a school, if it is a hospital, if it is a factory, we are now being asked. That is what the concept logistics from the manufacturer to the consumer. Until you made it available for me, the drones are performing that. And drop it right at where maybe I want you to drop the food in my mouth. So that is the concept. We've moved on from door to door. We are now entering the premises, and that is the way when we are even exporting, your client will give you a packing list. If you enter my premises, this room contains this thorough packing list. American Embassy, that's what they do. If they contract you to come and ship their personal effects out for their outgoing officials, they'll give you the packing list. So you are going to empty all the rooms, the offices, package them, go and pick the container from the carrier, lock them, bring them to the port, scan, and that is the concept. So we are now inside everybody's premises. If you don't take time, you joke at times, you go and meet the man and the woman in bed. So that concept, that's the practice now. We've moved on. So what is the name of this concept? Suggest, think. Yes? You said?
Pack out.
Pack out. Okay, it's still the explanation. What is the name of the new concept? That is where we are. And as for me, the forwarder, it puts more money in my pocket. I'm now rendering more services, is that not it? Which hitherto you should have gone for laborers to do. But you said, Mr. Forwarder, you are more a better professional in packing and stuffing. So, for instance, Regional Maritime University, when I clear their goods, I have to look for forklifts, handling equipment, and go there because we import heavy modern ICT equipment like simulators, sophisticated computers, commercial ones that we use on the vessel. We use it for simulation to teach our students before they go seafaring. So when we pull the container to our laboratory, then if they are too heavy, I have to follow. But those ones, my debit note becomes longer, so I have more money. So now, even if my client will be telling me, after that, lay my bed for me, I'll lay the bed. So, then recent, we have now moved on to rack, or you can say shelf to shelf. So that is where we have moved to door. Though some clients will still request you to offer the door to door, but most clients now are requesting for this. Unstuff the container into my premises, be it a school, a hospital, a restaurant. They just want to be sleeping. Because maybe your client has even given you more job, procurement to delivery. After negotiating for the prices, then you hand over documents to you. Contact this company and ensure about the procurement. Okay? Yeah. I'm handling something like that recently. A client was introduced to me. They are purchasing honey and some items from Australia. So he linked me to the forwarder in Australia who is preparing, doing the purchasing, procurement, and doing the packaging. So I'm the link. So it's there, it's rare. So forwarders, our jobs or services are being extended through containerization. So, any questions about this slide? You see slide number 1 alone. But with the understanding here, the next slide we shall roll it more. So please, we'll end on this slide today, okay? We'll continue tomorrow. I want to leave you to use the rest and sort yourself out. I want the class rep, the assistant,